name is Dr. Hammad Ahmed Bhatti. I joined Lincoln University of Business and Management in the MBA Healthcare Management program. It was a COVID period and it was a pandemic. We were all uncertain about the future. We were thinking about what to do. But I got that excellent opportunity to join this program, in which I was able to join this weekend program, and it was a good time to learn from the experienced and well-versed faculty of this university, and they had excellent modules and flexible timing over the weekends. And now I am working in a hospital in the quality department, and now my perspective is totally changed about the business and the hospital management after this program. So I will advise that it's value for money, and I will advise everyone who want to make their career and future in the business management, so they can join this university. Thank you.